whispers your name. Is it fate or temptation? Now you're playing that game. The bad moon is rising. Still you're feeling no pain. As your heart's beating faster, will your life be the same? I get this strange feeling. Oh, it might just stop raining down on your grave. Over your shoulder, but there is nobody there. And the karma you carry, but you don't even care. You turn to your friends now, and they just stare in your eyes. Your imagination is just a handful of lies. It's a long road to nowhere. It might just start.